Hello everybody, here I'm going to explain you today how to develop the first workshop I sent for the first term. Okay, so this is for 5th grade. In this class we're going to I'm going to explain how to express possibility, obligation, necessity, and prohibition in the future. We're going to review and practice the vocabulary, structure, and grammar learned during the first term. And we're going to develop some students' writing skills. Okay, so the first activity, you need to write one sentence in the future about the following. A sentence about possibility. So what is possibility? Possibility is something that it's very possible to happen. There is a big chance that something could happen. So to express possibility in the present or the future, we use may, might, and could. In the negative form, may not, mightn't, and couldn't. Okay, so here there is an example. It could rain this evening. It is a possibility, there is a chance that it could rain this evening because the cloud is very dark. It's gray and it may rain. Okay? A sentence about obligation. Obligation is something that you must do it. You're obligated to do that. There is a must. You have to have a passport to travel to another country. Okay, so it's an obligation. If you don't have a passport, you cannot travel to another country. All right, so you can use must and have to express obligation. A sentence about necessity. Necessity. You can use need to or must. So, to express necessity only in the affirmative form. I must study hard. It's a need. It's something that I need to do. If I don't do it, I won't pass the exam. So I must study hard to pass the exam. I need to study hard to be the best student. Okay. A sentence about prohibition. Prohibition, it's something that you are not allowed to do. So you mustn't use your phone in class. You're not allowed to use your phone in class. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you some of the links that are in the resources. So give me a moment. Okay, so here in this link, this is the first link I sent to you. You will find modal verbs: ability, advice, necessity, and obligation, possibility, and certainty. You will see how to use them. You will see all the explanation. You also will have slides with examples about ability in this case. You will see models of necessity. There are some examples. You will see slides for obligation and prohibition. Okay, so go check it out. Also models of possibility. All right, so let me go back to the workshop. All right, so Here in the second exercise, you need to write 5 sentences with definite future plans with natural disasters and weather with the corresponding drawing. Okay, here is an example. The sky is cloudy. It will rain soon. Okay, so it's a definite future plan. It's something that it may happen. If the sky is cloudy, if the sky is dark, it will rain soon. Okay, so let me go back to one of the links I sent to you. Give me one moment, please. All right, so future intentions here. What is a future intention? So a future intention, it's about a future plan, or it's an activity that you know will happen because you planned them and decided to do them. What can you use to talk about future intentions? You can use be going to plus the verb. For example, I am going to play tennis. Or another future plan, it's using the present continuous. I am visiting our new office in London this afternoon. It's a future plan. And we can also use will to make predictions. We won't have enough money to buy a new house this year. Okay, so let me go back to the workshop. All right, so you need to write 5 sentences with definite future plans with natural disasters, with the corresponding drawing. Okay, so let's check the natural resources, the natural disasters. Okay, one moment. All right, natural disasters. Rainbow, this is a rainbow. Snow, snowstorm, avalanche, forest fire, earthquake, flood, landslide, storm, volcanic eruption, explosion, fog, drizzle, rain, lightning, and drought. So here you will find some sentences using the vocabulary. So what you need to do is you need to use some of this vocabulary, using it in the future tense. Okay, like the example I showed you before. All right, so let me go back. Okay, so 5 sentences, okay, don't forget, with the drawing. And the third exercise, it's in the platform. You need to go to the Richmond platform and do the activity assigned from Unit 1 and the exercises 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much.